Today I'm going to be demonstrating the double crochet slash half double crochet decrease. This is a hybrid decrease, that is a decrease that goes from 2 stitches to 1 stitch, combining 2 stitches into one, but it's 2 different stitches. So we're going to use part of a double crochet and part of a half double crochet together to make this decrease. So to do that, I've worked up this little piece of crochet work. I've chained 2. Often designers will chain 3 before a double crochet because the post of the double crochet is much taller than a single crochet, but this time I've done 2. It's not unusual to see 3. So to work a double crochet slash half double crochet decrease, first you yarn over and insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That creates the start of a double crochet stitch. If we wanted to finish it as a double crochet, I would yarn over and pull through both of those loops. We don't need to complete the double crochet this way. We're doing a hybrid decrease. So next, we yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up, and that is what we need from the half double crochet. So we have 4 loops on the hook, and to complete the hybrid decrease, we will yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. This is a very useful decrease shaping wise because the start of the decrease has a taller post than the finish of the decrease. It's a little bit shorter, so going from a double crochet to a half double crochet, that can help in a number of different shaping scenarios. So it is useful to be familiar with and follow this stitch. It is laid out in all of my glossaries. Whenever I ask you to work this stitch, it should be included in the glossary, but I hope that this video helps those who might find glossary definitions a little confusing. So to do that again, we will yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. We still have 2 loops remaining on the hook. Then we're going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over and pull up. That's 4 loops on the hook, and now we're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 of those loops. You can do it one at a time, or you can do it all as one smooth motion. That's up to you. So that's 2 double crochet slash half double crochet decreases. I'm going to work it one more time. So we start that double crochet in the next available stitch, then we start the half double crochet, and then we complete them both together as a decrease from 2 stitches to 1. I hope that helps.